All right, I'm going to show you in reverse order. In other words, me putting the part back on, which will help you take the part off. On a 2011 GMC Yukon Denali, 6.2 liter engine, we had a system small evap leak. So I think that's what it's called. Anyway, what we have to do is we have to get into a part that's underneath this shroud, and I'll show you in reverse order how to do it. P0442. Evaporative emissions, system small leak detected. Here is the purge valve that I'm using. It's a Dorman Purge Valve. I got it from Advanced Auto. I guess part number is 911-032. And I tested this before I put it on with my vacuum hand pump. All right, here we are testing the old vacuum switch solenoid, and we're going to pump it up, and it fails, keeps failing, and around, it will only hold about, now it's holding less than that, and that's completely failed. So anyway, it won't hold pressure. All right, here's the new one. I'm going to pump it up, and you can see it's holding pressure really good. All right, now what we've got here is this pressure valve, whatever it's called, solenoid purge valve, goes in here, that piece, and it clicks in. But I want to show you where the release is. All right, as you can see on the bottom, which I turned it up, is when this little clip here, this little lever, you push it in to this out, and it makes room for the solenoid to go in. All right, I want to show you on this old one. It slides in like basically straight down on onto the motor, and then this the little mount on the bottom of this, you'll see this little tab right here where my finger is. That little tab basically goes into this area right here on the front. So when you put it in, when you get it out, you have to push, that metal piece back away from you so that it'll allow that plastic piece to slide up. Otherwise it holds down the piece. Anyway, there you go. All right, the electrical connection in the back pulls out of the valve, and you just push this away to get it to come out. Get it back on, you just slide it in place. I don't know if you can see that or not, until it clicks. The next piece is the rear vacuum hose connection. To get it off, you just push down and it opens up the hole. On and off, simple, right? Okay, so we're gonna do that. And I'll try again there where you can see that. Push that down, slide it in, and make sure it's in all the way. Make sure when you put that piece in, that clip is back up. Otherwise you don't want to slide back out again. So there you go. Now your next step is replacing the alternator connector. I'm not sure where this goes, but it goes into the alternator. And it has a reverse, so you actually have to squeeze the top to get it to open up. You put it back in, the same way with pressure. You just push down till it clips back on. So you should have everything out of the way. Push this back where it found it underneath there. And another connection you have this hose that goes on to this bolt. Sorry about the focus. See that bolt? Goes onto the bolt, pushes down in, and that holds that hose in place. Double check everything else, make sure everything's still connected. All your connections are good. You're good, you're solid in here. And put the cover back on. Now the cover has little kind of tabs on the end. And it goes back, I don't know if you can see this little two metal thing sticking up. It slides back in there, like that. It kind of takes some effort. so you don't get on your hose. Slides back in, pushes in, and you'll notice underneath those that little thing sticking up goes into that little connector right there, and pushes down. High tech right there, baby. And there you go. Start it and see if it works. Okay, the code has been cleared with my ECM reader, the Innova 3040C. I cleared the code. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. This gave me a chance to work on some of my editing skills, which are still lacking. And also show you how I fixed our car. And in reverse order, it's kind of a neat way to look, another way to see how to do it. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, don't worry about it. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye.